just left New Hampshire yesterday, and I'm pretty sure I remember seeing 19 degrees at one point in time. So glad to be here. And today is going to be the first day ever that we actually go and look at potential catamarans. So, and Ainsley's behind me, but I can't show you that because she is undressed. All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, Fabio and Ainsley.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Hans. Nice to meet you, Hans.
Thank you. Big stuff.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
This is
Appreciate you.
Leopard 45. I'm going to open this for you.
Nice.
Like this is open.
Oh,
this is
yeah.
One
spacious,
big room.
It's lovely.
and you can talk with people. This is the galley. I'm going to change a few things here. I'm going to take out the gas. I'm going to replace it for induction, electric, because I like that. It's a lot safer. Oven is going to go. Going to make 2 drawers in there. Lots of power, so you have just toasters, coffee machines, combi ovens. I'll show you right here. This is the saloon. This sets down. Beautiful. We've been out with the kids, and now we just turn the TV like this. You have internet on board. You have Netflix, and we were just looking at a Christmas movie with my children. That was amazing. Just on this.
That's awesome. And this looks so comfortable.
It is. And even if you're doing night sails, I have not done that with this boat yet. You can just put your mattress here and do naps and be safe, and that's cool.
Yeah. Now, for internet, are you using just local internet, or do you have the actual like full setup and satellite and all that?
No, I don't have the satellite. No, I'm not planning to spend like days and days at sea. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to buy the Iridium.
Yep.
That's for just weather services, and I can do without Netflix on the middle of the ocean.
Yeah.
I can do it. I'll show you down here.
Go ahead, love.
You just take a peek in there.
Thank you.
I think I see a bunch of camera gear. This guy is.
No. I'm not planning to do a YouTube channel or something like that.
Oh, neither are we
What
really.
is it set up for in the front?
That's
Is it just purely storage?
no. It actually is a bed in there.
Okay, there's a berth.
Yeah, there's a berth underneath there. That cushion goes up to make the big lounge bed in the middle. So you
Okay.
take it out, unwrap it, put it there.
Yep.
In the what do you
And
call
can
it?
you block this off?
Yes, you can. You can have. I don't have it.
Yep.
But with my youngest kid, he's 10. When he has friends over, they sleep over there and
Great.
they have their own
Yeah.
berth.
And you
this
can
way.
get in, I'm guessing, from
Yeah,
top?
from the top.
Yeah.
There's a hatch over there, and that's just.
Is this this is a hatch over here as well?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And it has those sliders with the anti-mosquito and the blinder.
Nice. Yeah, that's so ideal, especially in the tropics out here.
And you can.
How are these windows? Are they?
They're locked under.
Yep.
So they just roll up.
I just wanted to kind of get a feel for it. Oh,
What just Catamaran did is make a salt and fresh water switch here.
And do you have a water maker?
Yes.
Out there? Yeah.
Yes.
How many gallons per hour?
16.
That's great. Do you have the washing machine?
got the little shower here.
I figured that's probably what 80 gallons per use.
Yeah. But the beauty of the washing machine is, and that's why I like it, if you're on sea, and I've noticed this in the map because I've lived on the boat for weeks, and
Oh, really simple too.
and accessible.
Yeah.
That's great.
Very accessible. It's great because it's not taking up space, elsewhere where you could have, windows or.
Yeah, the most beautiful. On the sail, screen here, is I feel like we're crossing our bridge. Oh, it's such a beautiful view.
No,
So that,
what size was this again? 45. Okay.
That's exactly the one that we've been looking at.
I thought.
That's why I was wondering like what setup you had in the balance.
So great. Yeah, really. I'm going to show you this.
Wow, this is way more spacious than the other.
Yeah, that's my Coyote's cabin.
Okay.
So the full bed with a little walk around, but not much.
Yeah.
It's much more walk around or able to be walked around in the bigger ones. But do you have? Oh, you don't have the vanity.
No.
Okay.
Because if you want to work,
I was talking about.
yes.
I see. It's great for short people like us. Look at how roomy this is. So the bidet, now is the bidet using seawater or freshwater temperature? Yeah.
The newer models, they come in here. When you take out the water, they'll come in. So you don't have that. If I would have to do it again, I would not have that one. But if you use it, it has to be open. And you don't have comfort in here with your remote control, the autopilot. Have your iPad here displaying that and your espresso coffee.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
So there's your Cody or Codira.
The amount of power you get from a Code is crazy.
Is that right?
Yeah, that was when I got the almost 10 out.
We saw someone who's very rich mechanics on the underside of the 45. So
Underneath here? Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, just from one side to the other.
Do you have to keep on that? I want to see that.
Yeah, it's really cool. I was like, I'm doing that.
Okay, this is one of the most important things. Your anchor.
Yep.
This is a little heavier than standard. This is 65 roughness. I've made a system to mark the change, so I can see exactly how much speed I have on.
Any issues with the windlass?
So far none, but I haven't used it like 100 times for that, like 20, 40 times. And the other thing, they're going to install it in a few weeks. I'm going to get a remote. Because if I'm on my own, I want to be at the helm to see how much I have out.
Gotcha.
You can set down for a second. Just put him back. So there's what I'm going to do in that one. First thing head on. See how easy you change the system.
Yep.
And the nice and deep blockers. Leopard is one of the only ones besides the Dune that do that. because maybe that won't have as much depth.
Yeah.
It's not good. Especially for anchor chains that will pile up under the jam up, you know, right at the time you need it the most during a storm or whatever. It won't work.
And there's another beauty on this. This is some weights, and they don't have it up front there.
We appreciate it, man. Yeah, you should be.
That's my stair anchor. These are the water tanks. The only thing missing on this thing is leopard doesn't land with water leaking. I don't know. I have to look in here. And they're gonna put it. It's another $900. Okay, I'm good with that. I just want to see on my display how much water I have in each tank.
Yeah.
Sounds very necessary.
If you want to.
And your water maker just automatically propagates into here.
You see the small thing?
Yep.
Discord, and he does all it. That's the way it works now.
I love the front cockpit, man. So great. The front cockpit's so great.
Well, that's you know what? If you're on anchor, they're both typically freezing to the wind. So when you're having your morning coffee or even evening breeze, you're going to be out there and you're going to have some cool.
Yeah.
So that's great. Okay, this is another add-on. It doesn't look like much, but it's $200, something like that. But you're short, so you're going
I am
to love it.
Yeah, we both love that.
I built it myself, but
It's okay. This is where.
That's it.
Where
so
they
you
make
don't even have the pads up top.
No, because, yeah. It looks great on a brochure, and it sells great to charters. But believe me, when you're out in the Bahamas or even...
You're not going to be up top anyway.
No, because it's
It's
scorching.
sun.
Scorching hot. And you know what I like? I'm in solar business, so I'm going to put slow panels up here.
So the reason why we liked it is because it opened up the cockpit to be able to be more social. Sitting up here, like it's dinner time or something like that, and someone to actually at home, then they feel like they're still a part of it. And I know you can kind of get that here, but there's a lot more separation than, you know, same level.
Yeah.
And that's why we were thinking about it, why we liked it.
I do wonder how they made that happen though, because the boom would have had to be lifted up quite a bit or lowered.
Lower this one a bit here. They lowered this a little bit here, and then both of them. And then
Yeah.
It's not like you can't throw a bunch of cushions out here and have a sit, you know, with people up there
well,
if you really wanted
he said he's
to.
going to add more solar.
This one open, and when I'm out to sail, I put this one, you can forget it right away. I just put it here for safety. So you don't flip out. That's the only thing. And it doesn't seem like much, but if you're doing 20 knots a week, that's not super crazy.
It'll get to you.
Doing 9 knots, you're almost blowing 3.5.
Right.
Trust me, that's a lot of wind.
Yeah, I know you do. And it's cooler too, so that's nice.
So we got the grill on the back.
Mm-hmm.
Notice
Yep.
the smoke from the grill coming up and
But usually you do this on anchor.
Yeah.
Don't do this in the harbor.
yes. Yeah.
But if you're on anchor, I like this feature because it sets out both the back.
Yep.
And due to the solar arc, I have those dance poles over here. So it's pretty easy to get in and out.
What about, do you have any platform that comes out or nope?
No.
So this is it. I'm guessing you have a little drop ladder or
Yeah. Here's the ladder. This is the swimming ladder. And you hang there, you can't see it. It's a little knob. It's a safety button. So if you get into the water, it's pretty hard to get in.
Yep.
You just pull it and you can walk essentially. The dinghy is one of the most important things. It might sound crazy, but it's your car.
It's your car, yep.
This is AV. It's rigid hull and it's aluminum. So you can crush it into the beach without having.
Did you get this yourself or came?
Well, I will. Yeah, I saved me about one. And I had it insulated after. So I'm gonna lift this.
Okay.
Or you can be up there.
Oh, it's so easy to get.
Big engine bay.
That's the upside for me.
But
You
I'm
can
not,
do
I'm not
that.
gonna do anything.
Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Let's say this is what he wants to do. You know, he's like, no, I really want to go with real wood. And I'm like, I'm not sanding real wood.
You can get the same amount of interior space as you're going to see here on this older generation cat.
It was replaced by the 45, which you're going to see was much bigger, more substantial boat. And if you go with a 2016 or later Leopard 40,
So this ash interior came out in 2015, and before that it was cherry, and it wasn't quite to the degree of fit and finish as this is. This is like Hans's boat in many ways. But notice the size of the salon.
For sure.
It actually is lower.
Okay. So many of the same aspects.
Yeah.
What year was it? Now we can always add.
So did you hear that, by the way? In terms of the cost?
I missed something.
569 ask. It used to be 529. But then
Oh, I heard
because
that.
of Crazy, they increased it.
I heard that. Okay, so this boat's a lot more beat up for sure. All this caulking is coming out, paint peeling off. Or maybe that's not the paint. They used to have something in here, some kind of glue. Lines are in okay condition. So this is kind of like what you can walk on top. These are the sun levels. I hear you though. It's still a nice little shower. It's not 45.
Yep.
The sport version has an offset raised helm, similar to what we saw on the Leopards. And I really like these fly bridges. We can go up. Why don't we go up there first, and we can talk about that. But see, this boat used to be the most in-demand cat in the world because it was the first one where they widened the hulls out. We couldn't slow it down very much. They raised the freeboard and did the big salon. And this is what liveaboards want in a boat.
What's the draft on this?
About 4, 3, something like that.
They're all pretty little. They're 50 foot. Oh, it's 45? It's so much bigger though.
This is a much
Alright, gotta tell you, I love fly bridges. Now, this Bimini top is kind of an El Cheapo arrangement.
yeah, it's soft.
El Cheapo.
Yeah, I don't like them very much, but you can get hard tops. Like,
What year did you say? 2016?
y'all gonna have a lot of guests with
Probably not a lot, but often enough.
Yeah. We'll have.
Yeah, I've had, I used to do charges on one thing.
I wonder square footage wise what the difference would be between this and the Leopard.
They don't really measure that way, as far as I can recall. But it's really hard to compare. But see, this was actually designed in 2000.
Is that? Oh, okay.
Groundbreaking when it came out. Since then, they discovered better ways to yeah, these are like 6% of
Yeah.
that problem.
And on a boat, a lot more likely because you just have that constant heating. Which is not really heat either, but
No, it's not. That's basic. One GPS.
But for me, the most important thing in this boat is my chair.
oh yeah. That compartment, there's one fatal mistake with this compartment.
Yes.
It needs to go deep down into almost the water.
Yeah, exactly. Because we don't want to get cat. Some people put the TV inside,
Oh, that's
and they go up and down with that and go like
yeah.
There's a lot of places you can put a TV with a swing arm. See what's happening down here. So these are incredibly narrow, huh?
Well, yeah, that's everything we can
So definitely more walk around space here. Actually get down, not much, but some in here, around, little closet. Sure, there's probably storage under there. Oh wow, this is even though it's a charter version, still has an enclosed shower door. That's nice, honey. Lagoon for a fifth
Come on.
episode. Okay. Oh, I like this.
This would be nice with another. I like
I like.
that area. It's a nice design compared to the Leopard 44.
So, honey, how do you like the situation up here with the fly bridge and all that? Huh?
I don't feel like I would want to walk on this.
What do you mean? Well, barefoot. Yeah, and you can, I was talking to Rudy and he said some people add like a cover in here. That's a bird. Yeah. Just like you would. Oh, maybe it isn't. But that's just, it's that quarter bird. You would be a ballerina.
Oh, nice.
You dance a little bit and magically.
When you do this,
I would treat this as a birth too.
Yeah, it's great for storage though, but yeah.
Yeah, but if you couldn't make it a birth just as a backup, if you had like, someone who you needed to house extra wires.
The 50-foot, so 50-foot Leopard, 2019. Fly bridge. Jesus Christ. That is a lot of space. So much better. So much better. And much easier to install than the other one. So that's a generator, yeah? They got a cool D too, it looks like. Oh, this is my fishing seat over here. Going inside. Woo! This is
So I need storage over here, and it's small.
huge.
Storage over here,
Yeah.
and there it's small. These are all batteries. These three. See, this works, but it is smaller.
Yeah. Well, it has its purpose.
Okay, so let's look at this setup.
Okay. Is this the owner's version? Yeah.
So it still doesn't have the closing button.
Can I be in front of you so that?
Now that is a
big closet. Skylight. Nice. Nicely placed. Nice bed. Okay. Is that the same setup over here?
This is very different.
Oh, this is a charter version for sure.
But again, no shower door, so that's surprising. But I like this setup here. This would be a great guest
Well, no shower door, honey, but for all intents and purposes, you could get a little slidey curtain here too.
bedroom. Someone like that. So this is nice. It feels nice. Oh, here's the other seat. Or at least a half door. See, this is all open. I don't like that it's all open, but I do like that. Look how big this is.
Well, you could easily put a door in here.
And look how big.
This is massive. Look at this. Look at this.
Very little storage space for the back compared to what they could have done, like behind here.
Well,
I don't know what they put on there.
Did you look at this? Over here, is this door?
That doesn't come up now. I think it's just
But we could put shelves in here or something.
This is nice.
Beautiful door too in this bathroom. I could only make it function. It's quite
So
nice.
look, see, this is the vanity that I was talking about. Like, I like this setup in general.
Yeah, so you have a little bit of
So,
working space. What about here? Look at that. Fine.
great. I love this. All right, I'm gonna go back to the
All right.
This is a nice one.
Yeah. Agreed.
And over here, there's actually access over there. So my question over here is taken up by the shower. But I'll make sure this one is over there.
No, they're both too far. They're both changed and cheap.
I like how there's drink holders. See that? To fly on.
Oh yeah. It's got a nice traveler back here.
But look,
Really nice and wide so you don't get boomed in the face.
the boat looks like it's built for safety. Like even up here. Look, there are even speakers down here. Even up here, like you're sitting here and you're not gonna fall anywhere. You're
We got a Lagoon 40. Lagoon 40 2014. Fontaine. No? Wait, is this the Fontaine? It is. Okay, Fontaine. Peugeot. 50 foot. Privilege. Yeah, this is one hell of an interior. It's like your dad's old like.
So it's like yours, probably.
Tiny little head. Great windows. Huh? Ooh, nice. Honey, check this out. Oh, here's a shower. And just a shower. Do you like that? I love the wood interior in here. That I do like. And look at this setup here. Yeah, refrigerator.